welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV and Tool Bag Tuesday. So today's Tool Bag Tuesday was on a couple of lights I found that I've really been using quite a bit. So this is a Braun LED light. Has a face light here, bright and dim, and then has another one kind of like a flashlight. Don't use it very much, but this one you use a couple of AA batteries, and you know, comes with cheap batteries, so put some good ones in it. It's kind of nice because it's got magnets here on the top or the bottom of the stand, or however you want to think of it, and then the stand is adjustable, and it'll hold its own weight very well. Additionally, it's got another magnet on the back if you're trying to just hold it up flat. And then something I haven't used very much is it's got a little hook that you can try and hang it on something. Mostly I'm working on cars, so typically I have metal somewhere that I can magnetize it to. Well, I'd had such good luck with this one that I picked up this other Braun LED light. This one is rechargeable, which I really like because I'm not chasing batteries. It has one of these hooks on both ends, and what I found is really good for is like working on the Nissan Sentra. When I've been doing that, I can hang this on each side and hang it up underneath the hood. And let me turn it on for you. It's got switches on both ends to turn it on. So you see it's got pretty good light because it's well lit in here, and you can see that. And it's got a dim and a bright. And it also has magnets on both ends. So, and as long as you don't mess with it a whole lot, I found that it will hang just fine on something. And as you're not messing with it, the magnets are almost strong enough. That's kind of questionable. I have been using the hooks quite a bit on this one. Or like I was messing with the Scout the other day, and I had this laying on the frame, just kind of pointed up into a general area where I was working. So it's a Braun brand, which both of these are available at Harbor Freight. No affiliation, no sponsors or anything here, but I did find these lights were pretty helpful. This one's like $15, and then the larger one here I think runs about $40. One other light that I also get at Harbor Freight, and I have not, you used to get these for free. They use AAA batteries, so they are replaceable. And like they're LED, you can get them, sometimes you'll see them with single LED in there, sometimes you'll see them like this one with kind of an array of LEDs. And like I said, you used to get them for free. Now you buy them in a pack of like 2 for $2 or $3. But nice little light. They're fairly durable. They're made out of aluminum. I break them occasionally, but usually it's because I ran over them with the car because I forgot and I left them laying on the floor like I do too much stuff. But I just thought I'd share these with you. The Braun LED lights, I've had good luck with them at Harbor Freight, and I hope you can too. Like I said, this one uses AA, AAA, and then this one has rechargeable batteries. It says it's 2,000 milliamp and runs on about 3.7 volts. I know it takes about 2 hours to recharge if you've drained it all the way down, but I used this for hours yesterday. I messed with it here on the video today and making sure it was still working, and I haven't recharged it. So it seems to last about 5 to 6 hours without a recharge. And it's been pretty durable because I've dropped it, I can't even tell you how many times already, just setting it down, and then it, you know, rolls off of the frame, or I set it on something that's not very stable and I end up knocking it off. So it's been very durable. So I can recommend all of these. The cheap little flashlight, the Braun handheld with a magnet. I like it because like you're working up under the dash, you can hang that up under something on the metal there, and it seems to hold on really well. So again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. As always, I'll put some links to, if not the Braun, I'll try and find the Braun, whether it's at Harbor Freight or if it's not, if I can find it on, say, Amazon, I'll get you some links to those. And again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications, all that YouTube stuff. And I'll see you again next time on Tool Bag Tuesday.